MES College Marampally, e-learning.
Hello everyone, I am Anthony, Assistant Professor, Department of Fashion Design and Management, MES College Marampally. Today I will be dealing on this topic, merchandise. According to dictionary, the term merchandise means the manufactured goods bought and sold in any business or the stock of goods in a store, or it simply means goods, especially manufactured goods or commodities. The term merchandise can be defined as any type of goods, including personal or commercial products, as well as commodities that are sold to members of the public or other business. So, any product available in the market for sale can be termed as merchandise. In both retail and wholesale contexts, we can use this term merchandise. Based on the demand and supply, merchandise can be divided into four: staple, fashion, seasonal, and fad. First, we will discuss about staple merchandise. Staple merchandise are items that are in demand throughout the year. It consists of items that are regularly purchased, displayed, and sold by retailers. The products we use in our daily life comes under this category, like white men's shirt, blue jeans, chappals, innerwear, sari, etc. We know that these things are inevitable for a wardrobe. So, what we daily use comes under this category. The demand and supply for the same will be constant throughout the year. Next, seasonal merchandise. Seasonal merchandise refers to the products that are in demand or are available at a particular season only. Once the concerned season is over, the demand and supply of that product also diminishes. These products may be available in the market throughout the year, but the demand and supply will be limited. Once the season approaches, the demand and supply will also increase. For example, raincoat, winter mittens, summer dress, gloves and accessories worn for particular festivals, Santa hats, friendship band, etc. So, products that are in demand only for a particular season are termed as seasonal merchandise. Next is fashion merchandise. As the name suggests, fashion merchandise are those products that are popular at a point of time. That is, they are products that are in fashion or are trendy at a point of time. Once the fashion diminishes, its demand also diminishes. It is not necessary that the product will be completely brushed out of the market. The product will be still available in the market, but the demand and supply will be less. For example, puff sleeve tops, torn off jeans, one shoulder top, jhumkas, neon color nail polish, etc. As the name suggests, fad is a short-lived merchandise. They suddenly pop up and soon retires. Once the product is introduced, the demand and supply will be high. The maximum lifespan of fad merchandise is 6 months. After that, the demand and supply will end. They don't serve much functionality to the consumer, and they are just bought for the craze for that trend only. Usually, the fad merchandise are born out of trend caused by a popular movie or by a celebrity. For example, we have seen the Art to Munder or the Krish marks. So they are products just born out of the trend arisen from a movie or worn by a celebrity. So that's all about different types of merchandise. Hope you have understood, and thank you for.